My name is Eric, and I'll be your conductor and tour guide here at the zoo today. Let me commence by reminding everyone of a few simple rules. Please keep your hands up and legs inside the train at all times. Please no standing up while the train is in motion. And also, if you have any trash, please make sure it stays with you throughout the duration of the ride. Hope you've all had a beautiful day in here at the zoo. Continue to have a good day. Once again, thank you all for coming, and I hope you all enjoy the ride. Education, recreation, and didactic conservation program are just some of the services provided by the Roanoke Valley in southwestern Virginia. The Association of Zoos and Aquariums, also known as APA, whose membership includes accredited zoos and aquariums throughout North America, has accredited Mill Mountain Zoo, making us one of only 2 accredited zoos in the state of Virginia.